of our core values is to consider the future. And that means a lot of different things, but in this regard, it has to do with who we're here today. I'm here with Jake Brandt from Habitat for Humanity, and we work with the Habitat for Humanity ReStore to try to keep stuff out of landfills. On any of our projects, whatever we can do to reuse or recycle or donate, we want to do that. And so I asked Jake to come here because Jake can tell us a little bit about what the ReStore does. I think it's a pretty awesome program, and I think it's really, really powerful. And I think a lot of people don't know about it. So Jake, tell me what ReStore does. What does Habitat do? What's your big goals and missions out there?
Absolutely. So ReStore is really the fundraising arm for Milwaukee Habitat for Humanity. We are stores and donation centers similar to like a Salvation Army or Goodwill, but we primarily resell furniture, building supplies, appliances, that sort of material. And so we have 3 ReStores in the Milwaukee County area, and those 3 ReStores account for the largest single fundraising source for Milwaukee Habitat for Humanity.
How much do you guys probably make out of that a year? How much are we raising in funds?
You know, last year we sold more than $2 million worth of donated product, and it's precisely projects like this that help fuel that mission.
That's super cool. So that $2 million, that's what, when I see Habitat building new homes and revitalizing the inner city and troubled neighborhoods, it's these dollars. So my client, who's a huge supporter of Habitat, was super excited we're doing this. His and her, the things they're giving us, and we got cabinets, countertops, plumbing fixtures. That money is literally going to go and improve neighborhoods.
That's right. So
that's awesome. That's really cool.
Right now, 1 in 3 Milwaukee renters are spending half or more of their income on housing. And we know that by investing in affordable homeownership and investing in neighborhoods in our inner city, we can really help families build strength, stability, and self-reliance. That's
awesome. You know, that's something I talk about, and with our team, we talk about all the time. I think it's so important. You know, good neighborhoods, it's the foundation of good communities. And one of the things that really makes me proud when we improve homes, when we remodel homes, is we're taking a home and we're resetting kind of the expiration date on that home. And if you make your house better, guess what? Your neighbor wants to make their house better. And you start getting people in the neighborhood who care about their homes. Guess what? Crime goes down, quality of life goes up. Like, there's just a lot of really powerful stuff. So that's awesome.
That's absolutely right. In fact, in the Washington Park neighborhood, where we focus the majority of our work from 2013 to 2018, we've seen crime decrease 46% in that neighborhood, and property values are up 25%. So when you cluster a lot of brand new homes in an area, or start to repair homes in that area, make repairs affordable for local families, you can really see that community start to build up.
So for people who are out there who maybe need something for their house, ReStore, really, they should be going and looking there. I mean, look, we all want brand new, but sometimes you don't need that. So before you maybe go to your big box store, check out one of your stores to see if they have the whatever, maybe it's an appliance or countertop or a plumbing fixture, right?
Absolutely. So we have something for everybody. You know, if you're the treasure hunter that really wants to find that unique mid-century modern furniture that you just can't find in the big box stores, or maybe you're looking for a beautiful cabinet set that you can save a little bit of money on, something that we're pulling out of a generous donor's home like this one, you can really save a lot of money, get great value, and make sure that these items have a second life. You know, at ReStore, we prevent nearly 7 million pounds of materials from ending up in landfills each year.
Yeah, that's a big thing, because, the reality is, for what you guys are taking, like, seriously, we would probably fill 2 30-yard dumpsters. And to give you an idea of how big a 30-yard dumpster is, it's bigger than this van behind me. So, like, think about that. That's just going to be, and it has value.
Absolutely. It's so really great. A win-win for everybody. You know, your clients get to save dumpster costs. Mm-hmm. They get to make an incredible donation to support safe, affordable housing in the city, and then those items get to live on and be reused.
Yeah, and it's, for clients too, it's a project savings cost too, because the truth is, this is all volunteers. We've got, like 15 people here volunteering to take this out. They're going to be here for the whole day. Do the math on it. 15 people here for 8 hours is, I don't know. That's a lot of hours. And I can tell you, if we're paying somebody to do it, they're not volunteering. So that's a cost savings for the homeowner too. So, well, it's great. Thanks a lot, Jake. This is good to learn a little bit more about it. I really hope that people realize this is something important. And no matter who you are, whatever you're doing, if you don't have to throw it away, don't throw it away. ReStore will take it. there's other organizations out there that will take stuff, let's try to stop throwing stuff away. Let's reduce, reuse, recycle, and then, take care of your neighborhood. So thanks a lot. This is awesome.
Thank you.
All right.